Hello world! Welcome to my channel. My name is Shanay Braxton and I'm a travel and lifestyle content creator. Today I'm doing a Costco haul because I just moved to Los Angeles and I just locked in my new studio apartment and I did a lot of shopping to prepare because the apartment is unfurnished. I got some things that I think would be good to start with in terms of getting bulk items. The first thing I'll start with the small things. Quaker simple grain granola. I figured these would be good to snack on and to have for breakfast, so I just figured I'd get some of these. And then I got Reynolds Wrap. I got two of these. This is 250 square feet of aluminum foil. I got some rice because we will be eating a lot of rice, a lot of meals with rice in it. So I figured get a big bulk of this. Then I got this bulk of hand soap, and it's Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day hand soap. And it's 4 different flavors: mint, rose, fresh cut grass, and lilac. So this is a nice starter set of hand soaps to have around the house. Another thing I got were these scented kitchen bags, and they're 13 gallon. I figured get a nice big chunk of these because you never have too many trash bags. And then for separating meat and separating different foods and packing foods, I got these freezer bags. It's 152 total bags, and they're gallon freezer bags for some of the essential pieces like my dishware, cookware, and storage organization. I was able to find a dish set for a really good price. This is the Saint Germain 12-piece porcelain dining set. There are 4 dinner plates, 4 dinner bowls, 4 cereal bowls. They're just a simple white set, so I thought this would be cute for a starter set to get. And like I said, the price wasn't too bad. They're simple, they look clean. And then I got organizing containers. I wanted to get these organizing containers because I like to just organize the food when we go grocery shopping, and we'll be eating a lot of rice. So I wanted to get a large one of these so that I can put the rice in because we'll be eating it every day. And then other things like the granola, for example, I can put the granola in another one of the storage bins. This is a 6-piece set, and it comes with 2 extra large containers, 2 large containers, 1 small container, 1 extra small container, and it looks like measuring cups. And this is ProKeeper's 6-piece set. I got these towels. This is the Costco brand of towels. Can't have too many paper towels. One of the bigger items that I got at Costco was the Ninja Foodie set, which I'm about to pull out. And I was debating, like, how much should I spend on a cookware set? I landed on the Ninja cookware set, so we'll see how it does. I carried this box from down the street from where I parked my car and up 3 flights of stairs. I got the Ninja Foodie Never Stick, and this is the 12-piece set. They have this same set at Bed Bath & Beyond, and they have the 10-piece set for $279.99. It's on sale right now. I was watching a YouTube video to see reviews on this, and one of the ladies mentioned that she got her set from Costco, and it was $249 at Costco. So I'm like, why not go to Costco and get it, and I can get other bulk stuff? So I went to Costco to get this. Inside the set comes an 8-inch frying pan, a 10-inch fry pan, 8-inch fry pan, 10-inch fry pan with glass lid, 12-inch fry pan, 2.5-quart saucepan with glass lid, 3.5-quart sauce glass lid, 5-quart saucepan with glass lid, 6.5-quart stock pot with glass lid. It's stovetop to oven like cast iron. It has even cooking, and it sears like stainless steel. And some of the drawbacks to this, even though it's very good quality, the handles get hot, so that's something to pay attention to. And other than that, that was really it that I could think of. So these are the different pieces that come inside of the box. That's all I got from Costco today. Stay tuned for more updates on our life in LA and beyond. I look forward to sharing more in the next video. Until next